Imagine you're sitting down to pay your bills, and you're relying on an app to be your financial guide. But what if it's taking forever to sync your transactions? It can be frustrating, right? Have you ever waited impatiently for an app to sync your transactions, wondering if it's ever going to happen? Today, we're diving into the world of in-app sync times and exploring why it might take longer than you'd like. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand what in-app sync does. Essentially, it connects your bank accounts to the app, pulling in your transactions so you can track your spending and budgeting. However, there are a few factors that can influence how long this process takes. Factor 1. Your bank speed. Your bank plays a significant role in how quickly an app can sync your transactions. Some banks are faster than others at updating their systems and providing data to third-party apps like YNAB. If your bank is on the slower side, you might experience longer sync times. Factor 2. In-app server load. In-app servers handle a lot of data from millions of users. During peak times, especially at the beginning of the month when people are reconciling their accounts, the servers might be under heavy load. This can lead to slightly slower sync times. Factor 3. Your internet connection. Your internet connection can also impact sync speeds. A slow or unstable connection can cause delays in data transfer between your device and in-app servers. Factor 4. Number of linked accounts. The more bank accounts you have linked to an app, the longer it might take for the app to sync all of your transactions. This is because there's more data to process. Tips for faster sync times. Here are a few tips to help you speed up the syncing process. Check your bank status. If you're experiencing unusually slow sync times, it might be worth checking your bank's website or social media for any reported outages or system issues. Try syncing manually. Sometimes, manually syncing your accounts can help kickstart the process. Optimize your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Limit linked accounts. If you have a lot of linked accounts, consider unlinking some that you don't use frequently. While it can be frustrating to wait for an app to sync your transactions, understanding the factors that influence sync times can help you manage your expectations. By following the tips we've discussed, you can potentially speed up the process and get back to budgeting and tracking your finances. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.